At Jules, we're committed to using nature's finest ingredients to give your hair the care it deserves. One of our favorite ingredients is aloe vera, a natural powerhouse that works wonders in our color conditioner, hair repair and restore conditioner, pomade, and detangler. Let's dive into how aloe can transform your hair. Aloe is well known for its soothing properties. It's perfect for calming an irritated or itchy scalp, providing relief from conditions like dandruff. It's no wonder we include it in our color conditioner and hair repair and restore conditioner. Looking to promote hair growth? Aloe contains proteolytic enzymes that repair dead skin cells on the scalp, creating a healthier environment for new hair to grow. This makes aloe a key ingredient in our hair repair and restore conditioner. Is your hair prone to oiliness? Aloe effectively removes excess sebum and residue from your hair, leaving it clean and refreshed without stripping away your natural oils. It's a perfect addition to our pomade and detangler, keeping your hair fresh and manageable all day long. Aloe is also a natural humectant, which means it helps your hair retain moisture, making it soft, smooth, and less prone to dryness. This makes our detangler and conditioners even more effective at keeping your hair hydrated and healthy. The vitamins A, C, and E in aloe contribute to healthy cell turnover, strengthening your hair strands and reducing the likelihood of breakage. Whether you're using our pomade or our conditioners, aloe helps keep your hair strong and resilient. Aloe's antimicrobial and antifungal properties help reduce dandruff by soothing your scalp and preventing fungal infections, making it an essential ingredient in our scalp-focused products. Want that glossy, healthy shine? Aloe smooths the hair cuticle, enhancing your hair's natural shine and giving it a beautiful, glossy finish. You'll notice the difference when using our color conditioner, pomade, and detangler. And finally, aloe forms a protective layer around your hair strands, shielding them from environmental damage and heat styling. It's a key ingredient that works across our range of products to keep your hair looking its best. So, whether you're looking to soothe, strengthen, or shine, aloe in our products is your hair's best friend. Treat your hair to the nourishing power of nature with Jules.